काँग्रेसीचो ज्येष्ठ फुडारी गुलाम नबी आझादा सारखे काँग्रेसीचे फुडारी पक्ष सोडून गेल्या उपरांत काँग्रेसीक संघटना पुनर्बांधणे खातीर जाग आयल्या। कितलोसोच तेंप प्रलंबीत आशिल्ली काँग्रेस अध्यक्षा खातीरची वेंचणूक 17 ऑक्टोबराक आनी निकाल 19 ऑक्टोबराक जातलो अशें अखिल भारतीय काँग्रेस पक्षान जाहीर केलां। वेंचणुके खातीरची अधिसुचोवणी 22 सप्टेंबराक जारी जातली, जाल्यार नामांकन दाखल करप 24 सप्टेंबराक सुरू जातले आनी 30 सप्टेंबर मेरेन चालू आसतले अशें पक्षाचो केंद्रीय वेंचणूक प्राधिकरणाचे अध्यक्ष मधुसूदन मिस्त्री हाणें CWC ची बसका जाल्या उपरांत सांगलें। फाटलो कितलोसोच तेंप गोंय काँग्रेसीक लेगीत विरोधी पक्ष फुडाऱ्या बगरच वावुरचें पडिल्लें आनी आजून लेगीत हो विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी थारचो आसा।
कांग्रेस वर्किंग कमेटी ने जो प्रस्ताव मंजूर किया है कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट के इलेक्शन के लिए, वो मैं अभी आपको बताता हूँ। शेड्यूल फॉर इलेक्शन ऑफ कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट, डेट ऑफ नोटिफिकेशन थर्सडे 22 September 2022, डेट ऑफ फाइलिंग नॉमिनेशन Saturday 24 September 2022 to Friday 30 September 2022, every day between 11 to 3 p.m. Saturday 24 September to Friday 30th September between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. each day. Last day of filing nomination Friday 30th September 2022. Scrutiny of nomination Saturday 1st October 2022. Publication of a list of validly nominated candidates Saturday 1st October 2022 in evening. Last day of withdrawal of candidate Saturday 8th October 2022 up to 3 p.m. Publication of final list of contesting candidates Saturday 8th October 5 p.m. Election campaign Saturday 8th October 2022 to Sunday 16th October 2022. I read again. Election campaign Saturday 8th October to Sunday 16th October. If there is more than one candidate, the date of poll at all PCCs, Pradesh Congress Committee's headquarters, on Monday 17th October between 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. I read again. If there is more than one candidate, the date of poll at all PCC headquarters, Monday 17th October 2022, 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. In case there is election by voting for Congress presidency, counting of votes and declaration of result, Wednesday 19th October 2022, 10 a.m. onwards. Thank you very much.